Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss about why do Apple charge so much. So Apple's pricing strategy, often perceived as high compared to competitors, is influenced by several key factors. So today we are gonna talk about it. So, Apple products are known for their sleek, innovative design and high quality materials. The company's emphasis on craftsmanship, attention to detail, and aesthetic appeal contribute to the higher cost. For example, the use of high grade aluminum, stainless steel, and ceramic shield glass in devices like the iPhone and MacBook. Not only that, Apple's ecosystem is highly integrated, allowing seamless interaction between devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watches, and Apple TVs. This ecosystem provides a unique and cohesive user experiences, often unmatched by competitors. The convenience and functionality of this integration are factored into the pricing. Also, Apple's software such as macOS, iOS, iPadOS, and watchOS are tailored specifically for their hardware, ensuring optimized performance and security. Additionally, Apple offers various services like iCloud, Apple Music, Apple TV, and Apple Arcade. The ongoing development and support for these services add value to their products. Lastly, Apple's higher pricing is a combination of its commitment to quality, innovation, and customer experiences. The integrated ecosystem, extensive R&D, premium materials, strong brand value, and excellent customer support all contribute to the perceived and actual value of Apple products. While they are more expensive, many consumers are willing to pay the premium for the benefits and experience that comes with Apple's offering. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.